Okay, guys, so since you always guess you guys for stuff, I found out do a cool start the channel. The last time this video was probably back in April. So if you those who not see this channel, this is a Honda 8-factor EU3000 ice channel. I got this fee 2 years ago. We actually got this fee for a friend of ours. So I believe this fee is like 40 years old because I know this fee. I believe this was made in 2009, so I believe this fee is about 40 years old. But it still was great. And I sure it's not because no matter how I system will always start work. Okay, so the tour the batteries there, so the like start doesn't work. So you turn the key on, pull the choke, turn on the fuel valve. We'll wait for a few more before we try to start this to make sure we can get the fuel up there. Okay. Let's see how many pulls it will take this time. Usually takes about 2 to 4 pulls. Okay. This fee always starts no matter what, under how many miles it's been stable, and no matter what the temperature is. Back in December at the very coast, even as you probably can't remember, back in December when it seemed like the ocean doesn't too clear, where the very coast off is traveling back in December, it was like the world busy. But it still starts to water. So no matter what, whether it's cold side or whether it's warm side, this heat always will start, no matter how hot it sits for. I just love this channel so much. All we had to use this heat was in January 2022 because when we had an ice storm in January 2022, we was part of and this week when sure became handy. I hope it might become handy soon because I want him right with they won't be replacing some other one power wise. So just in case like if we use power with a upgrade the power wise, I'm pretty sure this will become handy. Hey you guys, I welcome my library. I guys will talk to you guys later.